the first set of information that is asked by the user is the first name and the last name. And then after this procedure, the user is asked to enter the birth date, the day, the month, and the year the person was born. And then we ask the user to enter the PAN card, a valid PAN card number that is associated with that user, so that Fusion APIs can work properly. And then we ask the user to enter a valid mobile number for verification purposes. We are using Twilio for a free tier version to verify using OTP system. So we get one mobile number that can be used as an SMS OTP verification system. We get the OTP and we enter that OTP on our mobile number. And after this verification process is completed, the user is asked to enter a 4-digit PIN code. This PIN code is basically something that the user must remember, so that whenever they want to access the application again, they'll have to enter this. And it basically leads to the landing page. This is the front face of this of our application, where other users using our app can actually post about their accomplishments of achieving their pod goals. I can actually leave a like for a particular user's pod, and I can check in the details for the pods with which they have accomplished their goals. If the goals of that particular pod really align with my own goals, I can actually tag that pod to my own custom suite of pods. So as you can see, I've pressed the add button and this pod has been created in my own personal list. Now, talking about the marketplace. Marketplace is basically a place where corporate companies can add their own custom created pods that align with their own company's business value plans. For example, Netflix mobile only plan basically suggests that you can save 199 rupees in the span of 30 days, so that at the time of subscription again, Netflix will automatically deduct this value from the application and you don't have to pay it from your own bank account, right? So I can actually buy this and this will be saved as a pod created. As you can see, yes, it is done. Now, talking about other companies, other companies can also create their own custom made pods. Like if I'm a really big on ordering foods online, so I can actually tag in this pod into my own custom suite of pods. Moving on to the profiles. Profile, as you can see, is a really clean and simple looking UI where I have two important functionalities. That is, one is creating the pod, where you can enter in the titles and descriptions and the saving amount that you want to save into it, and the details, the ETA in which you want to reach this goal. Right, and the other is saving set savings cap. So basically, this is the place where you basically decide how much money this particular application can pull in from your bank account. Let's say I want this to basically transact over only 1,000 rupees every single day on a set limit of percentage of 20%. So when I set this has basically set my goal for that particular value. As you can see, I've already had my own set of personal custom pods, and you see I've recently pulled in a Netflix mobile only plan, which is 0%, and you can see my Lonavala trip is almost about to be, like, it's getting filled at 19%. You can see in the details about how much money has been pulled in over there and how much is left, and you can actually do a pay now over it, and the payment will be done automatically. Every single money will be paid and this pot will be ready for use. This is a quick little demo of how our pot valuation reduction algorithm works. So to explain the working of our algorithm quite in a very simple format, we have tried to use Postman over here. So I've already created the account holder details and the account associated with this user called Pranav Pathare. I've already signed up and I received the PIN for that. What I'm about to do is I'm basically going to be creating pots for this particular person. To just keep the video short, I've already added 2 pots. So as you can see, they were named as low priority pot and semi-low priority pot. What is the meaning of priority over here? What it basically means is that the total amount that is to be filled for that pot divided by the remaining days, the total days for which it was incurred for, that ratio is high, right? So total amount by total remaining days is high. So that means there is a lot of time left for that pot to be filled, right? So it's a low priority pot. But let's say my third pot that I'm about to add basically means that the amount is 10 rupees, let's say, and you have ETA of 3 days, right? In 3 days, you need to fill this pot for rupees 10 evaluation, right? So this is a high priority pot compared to the rest of these comparatively, right? So I'm just about to add this pot. So yeah, I've added this pot and it's added to the list as a high priority pot, right? Now I'm about to run our algorithm, the endpoint which basically runs our algorithm and deducts the value that we got from the front end client, right? Let's say the user did some kind of operation or some kind of transaction and we received 10 rupees on our application. So we have to now distribute this evenly so that every single pot reaches its goal by the end of the ETA, the estimated time of completion or arrival, right? So I basically enter 10 rupees for that pot. And as you can see, the distribution of the pot would be in such a way that you see the pot which had the high priority gets the most number of money, right? Compared to the rest of the pots. So this got 1.57, the other got 3.45 or something, but this got the highest, right? And if I do the same thing, I'll pass in 10 rupees again, you'll see that it is almost filled up or it is completely filled. So yeah, as you can see, it's completely filled because the system, the algorithm realized that there's only 1 day remaining. So this has to be on the red list. We have to fill this as soon as possible. So it did so. And looking at the account balance, obviously it was 786 or something. And now if I redo it again, so it's 66. So it got deduced from the main account. So that was a quick little demo. So thank you so much.